Hey guys, Liz here, the new and curious investor, and I'm here to share with you my very first investment purchase. This video was a little bit impromptu, mainly because the nice folks at E-Trade actually have assigned a representative, I guess, to everybody who opens an account. Mine's name is Nick. He's delightful. When I was planning to actually make my first purchase, he called me on the phone and asked if I had any questions and if he could help me walk through my very first investment purchase, which was so helpful because really it's not that hard, but when you're doing something for the first time, especially I'm kind of conservative with my money, it was just, I didn't want to do something wrong and it was stressing me out. So Nick was super helpful. Yay, E-Trade. The only thing is I informed him of what I'm doing here, which is blogging about my experience investing. And while he said I could share what we were doing, I wasn't allowed to use his voice. So in this video, not really styled for company, but for the purpose of this learning journey, we're gonna let it roll. I got the cameras rolling as soon as I could, and there are subtitles which describe what Nick was explaining to me, which was super helpful. So I've committed to investing at least $1,000 per month, budget permitting. Some months hopefully will be more if I'm doing well with work. I am a freelance voiceover and recording artist, so sometimes my income varies from month to month. It's a little bit hard to predict, but when things are good, I'm hoping to be able to sock away a little bit more. This month, my budget was $1,000, so I split that $1,000 roughly into 3 equal parts, a little bit more, a little bit less, give or take, and I purchased General Dynamics, Wells Fargo, and Johnson & Johnson. And I feel really pleased with the purchase that I made. For me personally, my goal is long-term. I'm looking to eventually use the dividends to help me retire in a more comfortable fashion. I'm 31 years old, so I've got a long time before I really have to worry about that. And what's nice was I made my purchase, and then I kind of let it be. That feels great. I'm excited for my next purchase. I've already got ideas of what I think I'm going to be buying for February, but you guys can check that out. So anyways, here is my video of my very first investment purchase. Woohoo! Market on close, limit, stop on quote, stop, limit on quote, trailing stop. Ooh, I would love to know what all of these mean. I guess we'll just go with market. My strategy is long term, so I've been instructed that assuming I'm 31, assuming I'm not really going to worry about this until I'm like retiring, I've been told that just get in and do it, and over time it's all a wash. Okay. Okay. Cool. So it's previewed by 2 of Johnson & Johnson. Market price, good for day. I just bought my first stock. Look at us. Very cool. Okay, so now I place another trade. This is exhilarating. Okay, let me go to my little notes here. Yeah, why not? Okay, wait, where did it go? I took a little picture of it. Okay, and now Wells Fargo. So I'm going to look them up, WFC. Buy. Okay, and I want about $300 of this, so that would be if they're 56 shares. So 6 shares is just a little bit under 300 bucks. I feel like I might have to buy more of, maybe let's do, I don't know how much the, obviously I don't have to throw it all in, but General Dynamics, let me see how much that is real quick. General Dynamics is 179. So I will do, let's start with that. I'll get 2 General Dynamics, and then whatever's left I'll get a Wells Fargo. So buy 2 General Dynamics. Price type. Ooh, it's down right now. Maybe it'll go up. Okay, market, good for day. Estimated cost $359.68. Cool. Yay, we like that. Is when would there be a commission and when would there not be a commission? Okay, cool. Place order. Holy crow. All right, we're getting crazy now. Let's do our third one. No. I love it. My goal every month is to try to invest $1,000 and just forget about it. Just leave it. And then when I'm old, I'll be like, a little happier that I did this. Yeah, right? Okay, so how much do I have left? Wait, no, I already did that one. Okay, Wells Fargo. WFC. Oops, no. Not wherefoodcomesfrom.com. Definitely not. Okay. No. So it's saying that my net account value is $1,000. I just need to make sure I have I'm bad at math. I need to make sure I have enough left because uh, purchasing power. Wait, it's still saying $1,000. Ah, there we go. Thank you. Great. So, what would that be? Math. Is that 7 of them? I'm so good at mental math. Look at me. Just killing it. Okay, great. Okay. And preview. Nicely done. Okay, good for day 7 Wells Fargo. Place order. Fantastic. So now what do I do? I already earned 21 cents. Wow. Oh, that's fantastic. Awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how much it means just as a consumer like that E-Trade provides this service. Oh my gosh, you are so cool. Thank you very much. Me too. Thank you so much. Will do. Thanks, Nick. Is this the best number to reach you? Oh my gosh. Okay, perfect. I'm going to save it. Thank you, Nick. Well, that was cool. I'm an investor. So that wraps up my blog for my very first stock purchase. If you're just getting into investing, hopefully you can see that it's kind of not as scary as you thought, or at least I'm finding that it's not nearly as intimidating as I was anticipating. And it's actually kind of fun. And my attitude towards my investment strategy is I'm learning. My strategy might change in the near future, but for right now, I'm really focusing on buying quality stocks, investing in companies that I'm familiar with, that I understand what services they provide or what commodities they provide, I feel comfortable with, and then I'm not stressing about it. I make my purchase, and we're good. On to the next month. Anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed this. I hope that me sharing my journey is helping you learn or grow if you're a new investor, and if you're a seasoned investor, hopefully you can laugh at some of my silly antics. At the end of the day, we're all learning together, and that's what it's about. Thanks, guys. See you next vlog.